morning, one and all here. I, Suraj.
And I, Deep Kiran,
Welcome you all to the opening ceremony of Vishwapreneur 2016.
They are brighter
Swifter.
and stronger.
There are no limits to imagination or wonder.
Welcome to the world of entrepreneur.
They do things differently and better than anyone else.
Welcome to the flight to set your own milestones and compete only with yourself.
Today, we invite you to walk on the winning side because you need more than just inspiration.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Vishwapreneur 2016.
Our journey started in 2013, 1097 days back. We've had the participation of 1,237 participants so far. 28 dynamic guests embraced this stage, and around 170 members made this happen. This can be a one-line description of what we did in last year Vishwapreneur. But we have truly achieved more than this. We've successfully transformed people's skill set. We help them start their own ventures. We help the way they think. Most importantly, we've successfully given them the inspiration to not just start, but thrive and do more.
Today, we are back with the same amount of inspiration with more focus on guidelines and direction because we think you need more than just inspiration. With this summit, we bring together some of the best mindsets in businesses in India and for the first time outside India.
Every moment in the business happens only once. The next Bill Gates will not create an operating system. The next Larry Page won't start a search engine. And the next Mark Zuckerberg won't create a social network. If you're copying these guys, you aren't learning from them.
Today, we will hear from all the phases, from the people who have been there, done that, from the people who have tried hard and lost, from those who are succeeding, and those who have bounced back from their setbacks, from those who have made millions and lost millions. There will be takeaways for all of us.
There is no reason why future should happen only at Stanford or Harvard or in college or in Silicon Valley. Your future lies here within you. Now, I request Mr. Bharat Agarwal, Managing Trustee, Vishwakarma Institute and Patron, Vishwapreneur, Professor Dr. B.S. Karkare, Principal VIIT, Professor Dr. R.S. Acharya, Chief Mentor, EDC VIIT, Mr. Saurabh Bhange, Convener, Vishwapreneur 2016, and Mr. Richardson Sampson, President, EDC VIIT, to kindly be seated at the dais. I would also like to welcome dignitaries of the dais, Mr. Tausif Malik. Welcome, sir. Good morning. Now, I request Mr. Saurabh Bhange to share a few words with us.
Respected dignitaries on the dais and all the people gathered over here, wish you a very good morning. Yeah, that's good. Again, wish you a very good morning. Yeah, now it feels good. So, Vishwapreneur, बहुत बार सुना, हर जगह पे सुना, since some months due to the marketing, the campaigning, all of you people have heard Vishwapreneur a lot of times. But what exactly is Vishwapreneur? As the speaker said, as the Deep and Suraj Sastry said, that Vishwapreneur is a platform for entrepreneurs. This is a platform where budding entrepreneurs, fresh entrepreneurs get an opportunity to interact with successful entrepreneurs from all over the globe. And yes, that's exactly what is Vishwapreneur, because Vishwa means world, ironically, and preneur we have derived it from entrepreneur. So Vishwapreneur is a combination of global entrepreneurs. And we have been striving since 2013 to make this dream come into reality. And I'm really glad that not only Maharashtra, but the whole of India has shown tremendous amount of love and have supported us in this effort. So today, I feel really proud to present to you the 4th edition of Vishwapreneur, that is Vishwapreneur 16. Vishwapreneur 16 began yesterday with the internship fair, wherein we provided internships to more than 250 college students in 30 different companies, in 30 different startups, which was a new thing for us because we realized that yes, you need more than just inspiration. You need to go out and work in the market because you'll learn only if you work. So yesterday was the first day when people got internships, and these 2 days are the summits where you people will get an opportunity to interact and learn from various entrepreneurs and businessmen. And this is the first time that you're getting an opportunity to interact with not only Indian entrepreneurs, but also entrepreneurs from overseas. As mentioned earlier, we have Mr. Tausif Malik with us. He's from Chicago, a social entrepreneur over there. And tomorrow we'll also have Daniel Waples. He's from UK, and he'll be telling us about the music industry. So truly, Vishwapreneur is going global. So my message to all of you would be, have a good time, make the most of this opportunity, learn the most that you can, and be in touch for the rest of the year. Thank you and have a good time.
Now I request Professor Dr. R.S. Acharya to share a few words with us.
A very good morning to all. Respected Management Trustee Bharat sir, our Principal Dr. Karkare Madam, Vishwapreneur 16 Conveyor Saurabh Bhange, and Entrepreneurship Development Cell President of this year, Richardson. On behalf of Entrepreneurship Development Cell of VIIT, I welcome all the dignitaries, sponsors, press members, faculty members, all the participants of Vishwapreneur 16. I also welcome today's keynote speaker, Mr. Mehra sir, and panel member Agarwal, Varda, and Malik sir. I thank you all for gracing the occasion and being with us today. We started EDC in VIIT 2008 with the objective development and the mentoring the spirit of entrepreneurship among the students as a professional engineer. We started with this particular activity with 10 members in 2008, and currently we have around 600 members registered with us. Students usually join the cell in the first year for 4 stages. In the first year, they should gather as much information as they can. And second year, they should work seriously upon that particular gathered information, shortlist their specific areas of interest. In the third year, they are asked to prepare their plan or project on their areas of their interest. And finally, in the fourth year, we are expecting that they should make a report and submit their plans in the Entrepreneurship Development Cell. Thus, fresh out of this college, the student is better to enter into the demanding world of competition. The efforts of that EDC members have manifested themselves in the tangential, that is the results also. Our first president, Nisha Sen, who did her MBA from Australia, has started her own venture. Our first vice president, Aditya Kagriwal, IT student, completed his MBA. He got a job of rupees 18 lakhs per annum. After working 2 years, he left his prestigious job and started his new venture as an entrepreneur. Vishnu Korde, who was mechanical student, joint president of EDC, selected in Harvard Business School purely on the basis of his profile. We feel proud to tell you, one more our student, Prayas Chandak, last year B mechanical student, who was active member from the first year to last year. He was also president of EDC. He got admission in IIM Kolkata in the first attempt itself. Just recently he joined IIM Kolkata. Aditya Gupta, Govind Jakhotia, Amit Bhalerao, Ankit Saraf, Ankur Bang are the students who got selected in the prestigious that is Tata Jagruti Yatra. Again, this is because of their glowing profiles and dedicated work in this particular ADC sale. Govinda Jakhotia, ex-president of our EDC, has started his own business. Krishant Agrawal, ex-treasurer of EDC, started a customized merchandise line called Caribbean Flamingo when he was in the third year itself. One more our member, Ankit Saraf, has his own startup, campuswindow.in, which is launched with the idea of connecting the teacher and students with their material. Nisha Advani, ex-vice president and the conveyor of Vishwapreneur 14, won the Wipro Campus Entrepreneur, which was a competition for dynamic young leaders across the India. Another feather in our hat came in the form of approval of rupees 7.3 lakhs grant in aid from the AICT Delhi. I can proudly proclaim that currently we are the strongest e-cell in Pune, with a fully equipped, ready-to-use incubation center, where students can actually start working on their project along with the backing of our strong alumni. Our EDC second year student prepare kit, which is useful for the first year, and sell it to the first year students. Therefore, that student facilitation center experienced in third consecutive successful year, where they achieved this particular activity turnover of rupees 3 lakhs this year and sold 334 kits to the first year. More importantly, this project is completely managed by the student, which helps them to learn many aspects of running on this living, that is the business. We have signed MOU with one company consultancy firm, is Investonaut, for working and mentoring various industrial projects. We conducted, that is some important, from 2008 onwards, we conducted a 3 days entrepreneurship awareness camp in the association with MITCON, which was that attended, there were total 135 students. We also sent this year 5 of our EDC members to International Expo, Vibrant Gujarat, in Gandhinagar to give them exposure. We have been conducting various training sessions and lectures from the eminent personalities of industries, which can serve as their, that is the role model. These include basics of stocks and commodities in association with Khandwala Security, fundamental of financial planning by Academy of Financial Training, that is NIBM Pune, an interaction session with Mr. Akshay Nahar, co-founder of TrueSpider.com, Mr. Adarsh Kedari, founder of PuneSabji.com. Both these students, Akshay and Adarsh, are the pass-out students of VIIT. Also, we conduct industrial visit and tours for our members to well-known companies, industries. Till now, our students have visited like Suzlon in Hadapsar, Surjan Penco in Pimpri, food industries in Konkan area, Garware Polyester, Bajaj Auto, Nirlep, Rucha Enterprises in Aurangabad. We also visited Mahindra Heavy Engines in Jharkhand, Govind Milk Factory in Fulton. Last year, we visited Mr. Anup Tapadia's Touch Magics, which manufactures a variety of gesture-based interactive display technologies. This year, we had been to Alpha Lavaland in Yantra. Recently, our SAIL has becoming a member of Inactus India, which is a subsidiary of Inactus worldwide. The base of that Inactus is US. And is that particular Inactus world, there are total 36 countries. Inactus India works with leaders in business and higher education to mobilize university students to make a difference in their communities while developing their skills. This year, as a part of Inactus project, our 10 EDC members prepared solar lamp, which is totally exclusively 36 watt solar lamp, street solar lamp, and installed in Jadhav Vasti. That Jadhav Vasti is in the remote village in catchment area of Murshi Dam, where MSCB could not reach. Thus, villagers came out of the dark for the first time in their lives. We started EDC in 2008, and the graph of achievement is touching to new heights. This is possible due to strong support by the management, principal, and tremendous efforts by the EDC students. What we need today is a paradigm shift in the thought process, a radical and broad-minded approach, the courage to take risk, and to make India the center of innovation. Being the young generation of this nation, that you have the ability to take the risk, to set up new ventures. Let us be job creators, not job seekers. I am sure that during these 2 days EDC Vishwapreneur 16 workshop, you will experience this change in your thought process, and we'll have Vishwapreneur 16 enlightened and motivated to embark upon the career path of your choice. Therefore, wishing you all the best, and thank you.
Thank you, sir. That was very brief. Now I request Professor Dr. B.S. Karkare to share a few words with us.
Today's guests are Mr. Taufik Malik, Mr. Gaurav Mehra, Mr. Vijay Verda, Managing Trustee of Bansilal Ramnath Agarwal Charitable Trust, Mr. Bharat Agarwal, Dr. Acharya, who is the source of energy for Vishwapreneur 16, Saurabh Bhange, convener of Vishwapreneur 16, Richardson Sampson, President EDC, Vishwakarma Institute of Information Technology, my colleagues, faculty from VIIT, students of VIIT EDC, and very importantly, all the participants of Vishwapreneur 2016. Let me welcome you all for Vishwapreneur 16, and very good morning. I'm here to give a brief introduction of Vishwakarma Institute of Information Technology. VIIT is an engineering institute which was awarded Outstanding Engineering Institute of Western India 2015 during National Readership Awards organized by Vijayvani, a leading newspaper of Karnataka. It is an institute which was ranked 14th in Outstanding Engineering Colleges of Excellence at national level and 6th in Maharashtra by Competition Success Review in 2015, and an institute getting AAA award in India's Best Engineering Colleges for 2015 by Career 360 magazine. I think this much introduction is more than enough for VIIT. To give you a few details, VIIT was established in 2002, and currently we offer 5 undergraduate courses in electronics and telecommunication, computer engineering, information technology, mechanical engineering, and civil engineering. Similarly, we also offer 5 postgraduate courses, and 3 of our departments, that is electronics and telecommunication, mechanical engineering, and civil engineering, are approved research centers of Savitribai Phule Pune University. We have a very strong research culture. VIIT is probably the only private engineering institute with which Tata Institute of Fundamental Research, TIFR, a world-renowned research institute, has signed MOU. Renowned scientist Padma Vibhushan Dr. Anil Kakodkar took a note of VIIT's collaborative research with TIFR and visited VIIT as a chief guest for a student conference in March 15 and encouraged the research and development work taken up by VIIT's faculty and students. VIIT has a very, very strong industry connect through industry advisory boards for each and every department. Through these boards, the industry experts mentor our students, they give valuable suggestions to enhance academics, they give internships to the students. We also conduct HR Meet every year, and the HR Meet Nishchay 2015 was based on the theme Make in India. We are committed to develop competent engineers who will become entrepreneurs of tomorrow. Last but not the least, I'm proud to announce that 4 of our undergraduate programs got accredited by National Board of Accreditation very, very recently. This is a mark of quality given by the competent authorities. With this, I would like to wish luck to all the budding entrepreneurs who have come here and ensure that they will get all the knowledge, encouragement from the sessions which are planned 2 days, and also 2 days to achieve their goals. Thank you, and once again, I wish you a wonderful time for these 2 days. Thank you very much.
Thank you, ma'am. Now I request Mr. Bharat Agrawal to share a few words with us.
A very good morning to all of you, and welcome to Vishwapunya 2016. It is indeed very good to see the stage of Vishwapunya and the audience of Vishwapunya grow over the last 3-4 years. I have been personally associated with this event, and I undertake a lot of personal interest in seeing the growth of entrepreneurship among students. First and foremost, I admire my team over here of students behind the stage. They are all working hard for almost 3 months to, or maybe more than that, to put this 2 days or 3 days event together. I think they are already entrepreneurs in one sense, where they have put up this entire show, worked out all the budgets, executed as per that, and have got this response from you audience / customers for this conference. I welcome all the participants from various colleges, from Vishwadharma Group Institutes, and I appreciate the spirit and the urge to seek more information, knowledge, insights about entrepreneurship. Student aspirations over the last 10 years have undergone a rapid change. About, I would say, 12 years back, I myself passed out of engineering. At that time, I should say about 80% of our student batch aspired that after engineering they should either get a good job or they should go on to do their masters somewhere in a university of high repute. Of course, we see in the last 5 years this particular aspiration undergoing the sea change. Most of the industry veterans are now surprised and shocked that whatever they have achieved in terms of wealth with 30-40 years of hard work and maybe 1 or 2 generations of hard work has been achieved by someone from Flipkart and someone from Amazon. How old was Google? 1998. And we see him and we see this company with so much respect that we don't even respect that to a company which was more than 200 years old. Tartare ma'am mentioned about TIFR. VIIT has a relationship with Tata Institute of Fundamental Research, and we have been associated with them in sense of a presence of a lab in VIIT. A lot of equipment in that lab has come from TIFR. A lot of research work at BE level, at ME level, and at PhD level happens in this lab. What is interesting to note over here, which I wanted to share with you all, is TIFR has also been recruiting students from campus. And more importantly, students from campus are going to TIFR as a scientist. What is the salary that they would get at TIFR vis-a-vis they would get at Amazon? What salary they would get or what growth they would get at TIFR vis-a-vis what they would get at another MNC or any other Indian company that comes to campus? We understand there is a difference. So, the aspiration of students is the salary is no longer the only motivation. The motivation or the higher motivation is you do what you love to do. And that is the true spirit of entrepreneurship. I'm sure when we listen to all these speakers, I personally know a few of them being my friends, they all had constraints, they all had struggles. Money is an incentive for everyone. For me personally, it is the highest incentive. But they all went beyond the urge of only money than to pursue an urge to do something what they love, to create enterprises, to create organizations, to employ people. All this within the framework that you have to serve customers. All this within the framework that you have to solve a problem of the society, a service to be offered in a better, quicker, easier way than what it is offered today. There would be a lot of learning happening in these 2 days. I personally look forward for a lot of personal growth by listening to all these speakers. I am very sure all of us would have an enriched version of entrepreneurship in our own minds, and our urge to become entrepreneurs will be even stronger when we finish the summit tomorrow. I wish the summit a very best of luck. I once again welcome all the student participants coming to this event. Good luck. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. That was very inspiring. I would like to thank Bharat sir once again for his contribution in helping us making this event more success and getting all the entrepreneurs to this dais. First, we heard about the Vishwapreneur, then about EDC VIIT, then about VIIT, and now about Vishwakarma Institutes. Now, I think we all are set to witness Vishwapreneur. Now, I request Mr. Richardson Sampson to deliver vote of thanks.
Vishwapreneur 2016, because you need more than just inspiration. Well, everybody's spoken here about Vishwapreneur and what we have been doing. This is the 4th edition of a Vishwapreneur. I don't really need to explain Vishwapreneur once again. And I'd like to extend my warm welcome to all of the guest speakers who are here, so I won't really take the time of the ones who are off the dais, the dignitaries of the dais, or the dignitaries on the dais. So I'd keep it very short. So speaking about Bharat sir, who's the managing trustee for Vishwakarma Institutes, he's been of great help. He mentioned, and even Suraj mentioned right now, that he's the patron for our event, and he's helped a lot with the guests and his tremendous support. So I want everybody to give a round applause for him. Thank you, sir. Thank you again. And we wish to seek your support and guidance throughout. Now next, coming to our principal ma'am. I don't really need to say much about our principal ma'am. She's been the pole for our event since its inception. She's been a rock solid support. Thank you, ma'am, for the belief and the trust you have shown in us, and we wish to repay the faith that you have shown in us in full. Okay, so the third member on the dais is Professor Dr. R.S. Acharya. If I have to sum it up, I'll just call him a father figure for EDC, because he's been there for every single event. I'll just like to quote one example. When Vishwapreneur 16 got started, like it was an internship fair yesterday, as Saurabh mentioned, I asked him whether he'll be with us for the stall visiting and everything, because there were games going on in our seminar hall for the teachers. So basically it's a convention for all teachers to go and attend. So he just summed it up in one reply: Richardson, don't worry, I'm with you throughout. My support is with you all the way. So thank you for the support for that also, sir. And we wish that we get father figures like you everywhere in every instance of our lives. Now, coming on to the sponsors, thank you sponsors, thank you media partners and everyone who's associated with the event and helped us achieve greater heights this year, as we have Mr. Tausif Malik, who contacted me for the first time, and he asked me, like, can you accommodate me? Like, can you accommodate me was a very bland question, because we've never had an international speaker over here, and I was very glad to inform Saurabh, and then he was like, okay, please do. So I just called him immediately and then said, okay, sir, please, we'd like to have you. And then I asked him the dates. He said that the 10th he's not available. Thank you, sir. Thank you for coming here. So I'd like to sum it up, and thank you participants for being here, for making us a great success. Thank you.
Thank you, Richardson. Now, I declare the opening ceremony is officially done. I would also like to welcome Mr. Vijay Varda, who is with us, who just joined us just now. And I request all the dignitaries to take the front row, and we'll start with the further program.